Hey guys, it's Craft Cat. So today I'm going to show you how to make this dripping effect on a pouch. So first I'm going to be using this old pouch that I had, and I'm going to be ripping those decorations off to start off with. Then I'm going to take the colors of the rainbow and I'm just going to put some paint in my palette so I can start painting my pouch. Next, I'm going to be sketching out some dripping effects on this pouch. They're very simple. What you're just going to be doing is drawing some random squiggly lines. Next, you're just going to take some paint and start painting in those lines. Going to be doing 2 layers because you can still see the pencil lines. After that, you can just start working on your next color. I decided to do just yellow instead of yellow and orange because I thought the yellow would pop out a lot, and instead of just red, I decided to do pink because I thought that would match out with the yellow too. We're going to do the same thing and start painting with the green. And then I'm also starting with the blue. So I decided to make the blue a little bit lighter so it would match with the colors. The purple is very simple because what you're just going to be doing is painting the bottom. This is how the pouch turned out to be. It was very simple and I think it looks really cool. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys later. Bye!